Like I said, there's a correspondence between the two, but this correspondence needs to be measured experimentally. We need to experimentally find the maximum curvature.
And have you made it?
Yes, we have made these fits, and and actually it's visible in the phase diagram at the end that the 50% probability is actually something around 0.1 for the curvature. So the red color represents the 50% probability.
Oh, okay.
It scales.
Also, one question, just to be sure. What is Young's modulus measured
in pascals. It's
Thank you, just for not scaring me anymore. It's a ratio. Also, several questions. For your plots, which were before building a mathematical model, this computer model, what angle have you used to measure dependence on height?
It was falling vertically.
Vertically?
Yes.
However, in the discussion, you said that in your computer model, vertical fall is not considered.
Well, it's considered, but the longitudinal waves aren't considered. So basically, there's only this small things that determine
As I understand, by the appearance of the opponent, he doesn't agree with this point of view.
I actually also become some kind of confused because we had a long discussion about the vertical falling, and now is there falling or not the vertical?
Okay, so wait a second, please. No discussion. So, what do you think about vertical fall? What will be the mechanism of breaking this way?
In this case, I think that there's some kind of stress actually. Spaghetti drops down, and of course, it upper end some kind of presses against the spaghetti. So we have shortly some kind of deformation, and now on the free end, this stress wave turns into a tension wave, and so breaks the spaghetti into pieces. Actually.
Okay, thank you. Also, the opponent hasn't asked, as I remember, about the errors of the measurements. So, reporter, can you say how was errors found and how big they were?
The measurements are an average of 30 pieces of spaghetti found, or actually the probability from 30 pieces. So I think the errors are less than 3%.
Oh, okay. And a question to the opponent, final question. In the very beginning and during your speech, you all the time was pressing on the point that the reporter hasn't found the conditions of breaking because you wanted some certain values. You are still stating that we, in this phenomenon, we have some certain value in which spaghetti break and certain value where it does not.
Yeah, of course, in dependency on some kind of defect size, maybe with spaghetti Young's modulus, and thanks at the end some
Thank you for your answers. Now I'll prepare my speech.